Tasty trying to choose. I mean, I know I'm pretty cool. My nitty bag, my kitty boots. I got the juice, I got the juice.
10 old Chatham's on. Foolies glad I'm home. Even my haters kinda glad I'm on. Rest in peace to my vagabond. Rapper, song, singer. Suspended, subpoenaed. From misdemeanors, dreamer. Held back asses, Loki still a there. And I still shake a bull squat. Praying for my broke. Got city on the come up. Shot that nigga so sorry.
Hey best friends, it's your girl Xanny. I'm back with another video, y'all. I ain't talked to y'all in a minute. Hold on, Tink. I got London with me. Hi. New hair, don't care. Yes. Show them your hair, girl. Yes. Yes. One more time, girl. One more time. Yes. Yes. Okay. Cute. Yes. So Miss London's birthday is on the way. Tell them how old you're about to be.
9.
Yes. She lit, y'all. So yeah, we are headed to go do some stuff, and you know, I don't know really. Chrissy just asked me to ride with her, so I'm gonna ride with her on this adventure. And I haven't talked to y'all, so I figured why not vlog, so y'all can see what we do today. Sorry, y'all, I don't know what happened, but it's actually the afternoon or the evening. It's 6 o'clock now, so I had to work today. Today was an okay day. How was your day today, Lamb?
It was good. I did cheer today.
You did cheerleading?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
And for cheerleading, we was working on like when you push the people up in the air.
I know what you're talking about. Mm-hmm.
And then when they put the person that's in the air, when they fall back, and you gotta catch them, we was practicing on that.
What? I always wanted to be a cheerleader. Now, growing up, we had a little neighborhood when we stayed in Forest Park. Cause I stayed in Forest Park for a while. We had like a little neighborhood cheer team. Derek and the step team transferred over to Maze. But when I was going to McKeecher, they were starting up. I used to dance anyway. Like we used to be in the neighborhood making up little dances and stuff. Had like a talent show. I was in that.
Here come Chrissy.
Here come Chrissy, y'all.
Say hey to the vlog.
Hey to the
Vlog.
Hey vlog.
And I forgot what I was about to say.
But yeah, girl, everybody need damn ugly mama be driving.
Listen, I'm vlogging and I'm not editing nothing.
I don't care.
No, we talking. You okay? Can we get back to our conversation? You interested in the conversation, or you just like you over it too? She don't even know what I'm talking about.
Oh,
Okay.
the cheerleading thing.
Yeah. So anyway, when I was in high school,
Birthday vibes.
I wanted to cheer for Maze, but I couldn't tumble, and it was like you have to tumble. She like that, girl.
What you doing?
You have to tumble, and I didn't know how to tumble, so I was just like, nah. I tried to learn, but it was just like, okay.
This little sleepover.
I was too far gone that I just decided not to do it. Alright, hey best friends, we're back. We are going into Ikea. This is my first time going to Ikea, so we shall see how this goes. I'm going to let London vlog this little interaction while we walk through Ikea and get what we're gonna get. So we'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Well, I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. London's gonna talk to y'all for now. And that is the end of our trip at Ikea. And so my plants I will be back to get. I found a couple baskets that I really like. And
I buckled the baby in, you guys.
Good morning, best friends. It's me, Xanny. I am back on this good Saturday. It is definitely going to be a good Saturday. I am off today. It is Saturday, September 21st, the first day of fall. Yay! I think today is the first day of fall, which means I am a couple months closer to my birthday. Yay! Which means I am indeed, well, my birthday is November 15th, so I am indeed a Scorpio, y'all. Yay! So yeah, my birthday is on the way. I really don't even think I need this air on, simply because it's like cool outside. It's 72 degrees outside, so let me turn it down. But y'all, so I am actually going to a few parties today. I am headed to go help my best friend. Well, my best friend, she stays by me, but I am helping her plan her daughter's 9th birthday. So how do we get through here is what I'm trying to figure out. You go first. Let me see how we do this. And then I follow suit behind you. Okay. That's how we do it. Okay. I feel like something in my nose, but it's not. Anyway, I am headed to go help her. Looks like they're trying to pave the neighborhood. This was poorly. I am going to, I'm headed to the Dollar Tree now to go see if I can find some decorations for her. I'm also going to go wash my car because my car needs to be washed really, 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 really bad. And it's beautiful outside today, so why not? So yeah, it's going to be a nice Saturday. So I'm going to go help her get some decor for London's birthday party. Y'all met London and y'all haven't met Christy. So I'm going to go help her decorate that. And then I'm also supposed to be helping my dad throw this party for my grandmother. So I need to go find her a gift because her party is tonight too. So I have a jam-packed Saturday. I'm definitely going to try to get as much as I can, y'all. I'm happy to be vlogging today because I have something to do. I don't really do much during the week, y'all. I go to work. Sometimes I work both jobs, sometimes I don't. Like this week I didn't work both jobs, but I pretty much just chilled. I did catch some footage from when I went to Ikea, which I'll probably try to figure out how I can make a vlog from that. And I've never been to Ikea, but I fell in love with that first trip, y'all. Oh, I fell in love. From the candles to the plants to everything. It was just different. But I love Ikea, and I plan on going back. I was going to try to go today, but that doesn't look like that's going to happen, so yeah. But, yep, y'all.
Might not ever get rich, but let me tell you, it's better than digging a ditch. There ain't no telling who you might need. A movie star, or maybe even a Indian chief. At the car wash, working at the car wash, yeah. Come on and sing it with me, car wash, feeling now, car wash, yeah. Some of the work gets kinda hard, and this ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool, and the boss don't mind sometimes if you act the fool at the car wash. Whoa, 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 talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me, car wash.
So I am over here with Christy trying to get this party together, and she got me over here taping stuff to the wall. So I'm going to see how this idea go, but I just wanted y'all to see it with me and we can see it come together. Okay, girl. So
Somebody see you come together.
no. I quit. Oh.
I quit.
Okay, go make you something to drink.
Okay.
Try it again.
I ain't trying shit else. What else you want me to do? Let me do something else. You do that.
No, we're gonna do it together. We're gonna cut them, how you said.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Woo! What, Joy? I've been walking around here. I just made it to the second party, y'all. I am exhausted. I got my cousin. Yeah, I went. Well, this what happened. Back at the party. Alright, y'all see what he playing. Alright, see it later. Y'all see what Tyson singing. I told y'all that was his favorite song. Y'all know that's it. To me, this one, this is laid back over there with Granny. She don't want to be on camera. There go Reginald again. I told y'all he like that song. You singing that song hard. Hey. They can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Hey. They can't tell him nothing. Hey. What's next?
You still made money.
Let's go. DNA? DNA, baby? I like DNA.
That's real. Anything. Freestyle rap.
I like DNA.
You got us. Talk about them days, y'all.
You said I'm good at rapping. You know I'm good at rapping. Go.
Can't hear you. What you doing?
Hey.
Sing a song. Freestyle. Oh, go ahead. Hey, you know what?
He freestyling. He freestyling, Dad.
Freestyle.
He freestyling. He about to go in. DNA.
On town road, I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse. On town road, I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse and on town road, I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Can't nobody tell me nothing.
Singing that hard shit.
Can't tell me nothing.
Hey, good job. What's the next song? Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm back at it again.
You say grab. You say grab.
Ah, grab.
Grab.
Hey.
Grab.
Hey.
Grab.
Hey.
I'm gonna say grab. Oh my gosh.
I just need to feel all the bags that was on my truck. I gotta go to y'all house. My trash man, I got a new one. I canceled that one. I'm gonna take it.
Where you seen that?
Right there, that